Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. So, after a very long time, I'm going to start streaming again. We got an unboxing stream. My very first one, yes! This came in today, and I'm going to see if it's actually any good. Because it looked kind of good. So, why I wanted this is because I wanted a webcam with a ring light on it. Also, I wanted 1080p, I wanted 60 FPS, so I got this. I could have gotten like a Logitech C920, but that's like what, 6,000 pesos? This is 1,200 plus. Like, there you go, 1,288, well, almost 1.3. So it's like, I don't know, 1/5 the price of a Logitech C920 or C922. That's why I bought it. So if this is actually any good for me, I'm gonna buy 2 more. And then I got plans for it. So let's unbox this, shall we? Yes, I'm drinking coffee at night so I can actually do this stream. This is my knife. And it's a disaster already. As you can see, I am not an unboxing professional. I don't know how to do this. Like, come on, I'm supposed to keep it, you know, in frame, and yet I have to open this and... And there you go. How the hell do you open a box like this? Alright, so... opening it up, and boom, you got contents. So, this is, the manual. Yeah, this is not easy. This is not easy. I need a second microphone or something. Because I gotta be able to talk while doing this. The table is right there. I have to, like, at arm's length. Alright, so I think we have yes, I know how to set up a webcam. It's not that hard. And of course, it's also in Chinese because, you know, Rapoo is like Chinese company. Anyway, we have here the webcam itself, wrapped in plastic, and it feels really solid. I gotta say, it feels solid. And it's got protected film on it. I'm gonna do the peel in a bit. But for now, let's set this aside. And look, hey, it's got a mount. Awesome. Just what I need. A 420 mount. Unflip this and you get a USB cable. Ooh, it's got that, got this thing on it. So, you know it's serious. It's got this thing on it to prevent any sort of like, electromagnetic, disruptions or whatever. I forgot what these are called. So yeah, that's, presumably a USB 3.0. Yeah, look at that. It's, look at that connector. It's Type-C. Hold on. This is my very first Type-C device. That's right. I've never had Type-C before. How old am I? How old am I that only now have I gotten a Type-C device? I don't get it. I don't get it. Anyway, this is, this unboxing is going really bad so far. All right, let's do the peel. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels doubly good. Anyway, here you go. There's the camera. And there's the Type-C connector in the back. Well, that gives me confidence. This could actually be 60 FPS. Alright, so let's do this. Remember, I paid around 1,300 pesos for this. This better be good. I have not given my review on Shopee yet. So if this is actually up to expectation, I'll give it 5 stars. Because I'm a generous customer. So anyway, what is Rapoo? What the hell is that brand? Rapoo is a brand that is famous for their wireless keyboard and mouse combos. That's what I know them for, and they have pretty good products. And then one day I saw, wait, they have webcams? Okay, how good are they? Turns out not bad. Their build quality is pretty okay. They're not the standard cheapo stuff. Looks like they're going to be a good alternative to Logitech webcams, right? Well, we're going to find out with this thing. So I'm going to plug it in a bit. Let's plug this here. And since it's Type-C, there's no right way around. It's either this way or this way. It's gonna be fine. That's what Type-C is about in the first place. So, alright. I'm gonna take this and plug it into a USB 3.0 port, which is underneath here. Hey, wait a minute. I can give you a scoop here. You could look under my messy table. All right. Hey, look at this. Look at this. I have my my Sony RX100 here. As you can see, there's the webcam I'm using right now. It's a Canon Vixia HFR300. It's an old camcorder, which also means it's 30 FPS. Yeah. So, oh yeah, and there's an old A4 Tech webcam with really bad frame rate. It's like 15 frames per second. And there's my setup. There's my OBS. Hello, look at infinite stream. It is Streamception. I give you a scoop here. This is my messy. Don't worry, I will fix this soon because I'm going to upgrade this computer. Don't worry, this is a clean rag. Yeah, anyway, this PC is going to get upgraded soon. This case is from 2002, so it's a really old case. It's almost 20 years old. Don't worry, I'm gonna change it with everything else inside. Anyway, there's my USB hub. Got like 2 external hard drives plugged in there. Right, so let's take this USB. This one. Yeah, as you can see, there it is. And ta-da, it's plugged in. It's plugged in. We're setting up a Rapoo camera. We're gonna see if this thing works. So let's see. Is it gonna turn on? Wait, hold on. The ring light is activated by touch. So will it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Not very bright though. It's not very bright. So I touch it here. Oh, it gets brighter. Oh. 3 brightness settings and then an off. Right, okay. Let's see how good this camera is. Whoa, look at that son of a bitch. It's really clear. Wow, this is nice. Look at it, it's so clear. Look at this. It's not bad. But look at that. The quality is nice. You can see my gray hairs because I'm now 35 years old. You see my double chin, my acne scars from, you know, the whole pandemic. Because I've been rotting here at home. Let's take the Rapoo box. Let's see if we can focus. It's not bad. It shows pretty good detail. That is nice. Wait, hold on. How many FPS are we getting? 1080, auto select 30. But it's already good enough for me. Like, the responsiveness is amazing. It's already pretty damn good. Let's put a 720. Is there like, I think I have to plug it in directly to a USB 3.0 port. But for now, it's looking pretty good. Look at this. It's nice. The quality is nice. All right, so I want to compare this camera with my current camera right here, as well as compare it with this camera. Oh, look at that. It's kind of groovy, actually. I can compare between the two there in terms of quality. And that's not bad. The Sony has better color, of course, because, well, it's a full-fledged camera. This is just... The Rapoo is just a webcam. But it's not bad. And I can say to a certain extent, Rapoo captures pretty good detail as well. Like, you can see my gray hairs right there. And this is a full-blown camera. Like, here's the thing with this Sony. Right? You see that? You see the Sony? Here's my problem with it. Sony RX100 Mark 1. Look at that thing! It's right underneath. What is that? That's the micro HDMI port. It's underneath, right next to the shoe mount. Why? Why, Sony? Why did you put it there? Why? Well, anyway, they solved that with the Mark II and so on. It's now up to the Mark 7. So me getting a Mark 1 is just because I'm cheap. I can't afford the subsequent versions. Anyway, I got it secondhand for like 6,000 pesos last year. Yes, that's right. So anyway, this is looking good. I like this. Let's see, let's make a comparison here. I'm going to remove this. Right, I'm going to remove this right now. Oop. And I'm going to put this here. So far, I'm already pretty impressed. I'm just gonna put this underneath. Alright, let's see what happens. Whoa, there we go. Holy shit, look at this. Whoa. The field of view is nice. I gotta say, it's really nice. Well, there's a good bit of fuzziness because it's a webcam. What do you expect? But in terms of sharpness, not bad. In terms of speed, not bad. I think I am not going to get rid of my camcorder here, my main camera, because I like the realness of the real camera. For me, anyway. I might replace it in the future with, let's say, a Sony CX405. But I'm gonna have to shelf out like 6,000 pesos more in order to get that. Next month, beginning next month, I am looking to upgrade my computer finally. And in order to do that, well, I'm gonna have to spend a lot of money. But I gotta say, I am pretty impressed so far with this camera. It's not bad. It's still kind of fuzzy. Like, let's put it at the same position as my current main webcam right now. As you can see, it's not bad. And just see how good the ring light on the webcam is. Not very good. I was expecting something better. It's better than nothing, but still, it's not that good. Is it a ring light for ants? Well, okay, so in this regard, it's too weak to compete with the Razer Kiyo. Because the Razer Kiyo, what's the selling point of the Razer Kiyo? Number one, it's a Razer webcam, so it's gonna be overpriced and, well, it'll be kind of high quality, but, you know, build quality is questionable because it's a Razer product. But anyway, you can buy it and you could be okay. You know, just shelf out like 5,000-6,000 pesos for a webcam. As opposed to this, it's 1,300 pesos. It's got kind of a ring light. It'll get you by, maybe. Well, anyway, let's put this up against what I want to use this for in the first place. This is the A4 Tech. So this is what I want it for. I wanted to show this desk. I will replace this keyboard in the future with a Keychron K2. So it's going to be like this small and, you know, I can actually take it off the table without having to worry about the wire. As you can see, the A4 Tech webcam is really old. It's like over 10 years old. And guess what? Look at that. Look at that frame rate. It's crap. This was what webcams were like before the Logitech C920. It looks gross. Anyway, I'm getting rid of this because now I'm gonna use the Rapoo for this purpose. So actually, I'm gonna unplug this. Hold on. This is going bye-bye now. This old A4 Tech webcam. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey, looks nice. What? But with a few tweaks. Boom. All right, awesome. Exactly what I needed. And look at the detail. Any change with the ring light? Because the problem here is that there's not enough light. The ring light doesn't do much. It's not already doing what the light in the room is already doing. So it's not that big of a deal. The ring light is kind of a disappointment. But for 1,300, not bad. I can live with this. I might actually buy two more. It's pretty grainy, it's really noisy, but because it's really dark. What do you expect? Now I can have lights here. I have some lights here. Yeah, this. So I can put, boop. Look at that. Put some more light on there. And it's gonna be a little less grainy. But it's not that big of a deal because all I have to do is like, you know, show stuff here. Like make it easier. Or if I'm working on something here, I could do that. Like I got notebooks here, like I got my journal. What does it say? It says Pro Wrestling Notebook. Here, what is this? This is Content and Stream Journal. And look at this, look at this. What is this? What does it say? Fighter study notebook. This is where I write. I'm starting to fill in with notes. I got notes on Larry Holmes, dude. I should start writing more. The different characteristics of his fighting style and stuff. Yeah, you see that? I can show this off here. And look at that. Look at how this webcam is performing. It's not fucking bad. When you talk. Yeah, okay, wait, hold on. It's just how it is when this mixer is turned on for a very long time. It starts getting staticky. I have to reset it. Okay, so this is my SJ Cam M20. I bought this for 4,000 pesos. I've used this to film a lot of vlogs, and it's still one of the better purchases I've ever made, but as a webcam, this sucks because it shuts off. It shuts off by itself. I hate that. I'm going to use this for that purpose. The ring light doesn't do anything, really. It's, okay. That is no ring light. Nothing. No change of settings, no brightness settings, nothing. This is just how it is. Barely anything. That's the second level. That's the brightest setting. I don't think it does anything. Here's with my other ring light. That's a lot brighter. Put a ring light in a different place. There you go. That is not bad at all. It's not bad. It's not the best, but it's not bad at all. I'm going to rate the Rapoo C270L 7 out of 10. Because it's not a 6 out of 10 because of the price. In terms of value, it's actually not bad at all. So I'll give it a 7. It's okay. For your purposes, it's not bad. You can start with it for content creation, for your Zoom meetings, whatever. This is not bad at all. For this level of quality, for the price of 1,300 pesos, it's not bad. You're going to be seeing this webcam soon. If we go back to GCQ and everyone gets vaccinated, maybe, just maybe, it might even film some wrestling matches. It's in the plan. I give the Rapoo C270L a slight thumbs up. A slight. It's okay. If you're desperate for a webcam, it's good. I might buy 2 more. Or maybe 1 more. Just to fill this thing out. I don't think I'm going to use it to replace this camera. Because side by side, this is still better. Still smoother and sharper. That's it for the unboxing stream. Till next time, stay Tor.